Hayden, what are you playing with? Is that your stuff for the beach? Yay! Oh, good job. That's the rake. Where's your beach ball? Where's that beach ball? Is it right there? Hayden, what's that? What's that? Will you get that ball? Get that ball for Mommy. Can you get the ball? Oh, good job. Bring it over here. Oh, thank you. Ready? Want to go get it? Go get it. Go get it. Good job, Hayden. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Nice work. Whoops. Good job. Good job. Uh-oh. Good job, buddy. Nice work. Can I have a hug? Come here. I love you. Okay, play it again.